So every year we grow these pumpkins in the backyard, and I think it's time to cut them off. The vines have died out, so we'll cut them off and we'll put them out front for the fall season, since today is the first day of fall. And I always like to see how much they weigh. So we'll cut them up. Well, we won't cut them up, but we'll cut them out and see what they look like. Well, that was fun. Those aren't the biggest pumpkins we've ever had. I think the biggest ones we had were the first time we ever grew them. One of them was actually 60 pounds. Not kidding. That thing was a monster. But it's always fun to grow pumpkins at home and grow things in your own garden, and we enjoy picking those pumpkins every year for fall. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching my video.